Keeping your team on track without constant follow-up can feel like a challenge, especially when you're juggling multiple tasks or managing a remote team. But with the right tools and strategies, it's completely possible to ensure everything stays on track without micromanaging every step. Stick around, and I'll show you how to do it in just a few minutes. First off, start with setting clear expectations. If your team doesn't know exactly what's expected of them, it's hard for them to stay on track. Be specific with your deadlines, deliverables, and the level of quality required. This minimizes any confusion and gives your team clear targets to hit. Next, implement the right project management system. I've tested all the top software out there, and trust me, using the right tool makes a huge difference. With the software we'll be using today, you'll be able to track progress, assign tasks, and even get automatic reminders about key deadlines. This keeps everything organized in one place, so you don't have to constantly ask for updates. Once your software is set up, ensure your team has access to the right information and can easily communicate with each other. Transparency is key here. With a simple communication flow in the system, everyone can see what's being worked on, who's responsible for what, and where things stand without needing a follow-up from you. To make sure things keep moving forward, establish periodic check-ins rather than constant follow-ups. Instead of checking in every day, try weekly stand-ups or progress reports. These should be short and focused. This keeps your team on task without the feeling of constant oversight. Another essential tip is to empower your team to solve problems on their own. By fostering a sense of ownership and accountability, your team will be more likely to stay focused and make decisions without needing you to step in all the time. Give them the tools and resources they need, then let them take the reins. Lastly, if you're using a project management system with automated notifications and alerts, you won't need to chase down updates. The software will do a lot of the heavy lifting for you by sending reminders and keeping your team aligned. To wrap up, remember these key points. Set clear expectations. Use the right software to keep everything organized. Encourage self-sufficiency within your team. And keep your check-ins regular but not overwhelming. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below for the software we've been using. It's an amazing tool that will help you keep your team on track without constant follow-up. Key takeaway: the secret to keeping your team on track without constant follow-up is clear communication, using the right tools, and empowering your team. By setting up the right systems and giving them ownership, you'll reduce the need for micromanagement and keep everything running smoothly. Thanks for watching.